is yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next chain, grab and pull, yarn over once, twice, thrice. That's why it's triple crochet.
Wait, but how it started?
First, begin by making a slip knot. Hold the yarn accordingly how comfortable you are. 3.25mm hook and a medium weight yarn. Insert your hook under, turn it all the way around, grab that yarn and pull through and make it tight to pull. Pull to make it tight. Now your slip knot is ready. Let's begin making a chain. Yarn over and pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have here 12 chains in total. Treble starts in the 5th chain from the hook. Yarn over once, yarn over twice. 1, 2, insert into the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook in the 5th chain from your hook. Yarn over and pull. Yarn over, pull through 2. 1, 2, yarn over, pull through 2, 3, yarn over, pull through the rest of that loops in your hook. Now you have your second treble crochet or triple crochet. Let's repeat that. Yarn over once, yarn over twice. Insert your hook in the next chain, grab that yarn and pull, pull. You have 4 loops in your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. That's first. Yarn over and insert your hook in the next second 2 loops. That's second. Yarn over and pull through the rest of the 2 loops in your hook. That's third. That's why we call it triple crochet. Repeat a little bit faster so you can see. Yarn over twice, 1, 2. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2.
We are in our last stitch, placing our last treble crochet in a first round. Yarn over, pull through 2 3 times, and now we are in our second row, starting by making a chain of 4. This is our first treble crochet. Count as 1 or as first. Begin in your next treble crochet by skipping the first stitch. Skip that one and go in the next stitch. Here, insert your hook and make your treble crochet. Yarn over 3 times, 2 and 3. Very simple and easy. We are reaching the last stitch on the 4th chain. Here, yarn over and pull, and likewise, there you go. It's very easy and fast.
Congratulations, you just mastered the triple crochet stitch. Want to practice this stitch into a real pattern? Subscribe and follow for more.